On September 23, 2024, the southeast region of France was hit by severe flooding after heavy rains. In Cannes and surrounding areas, streets turned into rivers and homes were evacuated. Meteorological authorities declared a state of emergency. Heavy rainfall, with 26 millimeters falling in just 1 hour, caused flash floods across the region. In Cannes, roads are completely submerged, and vehicles have been swept away by the powerful floodwaters.
Faz esse dela para vá. Diara,
thousands of residents have been evacuated as rescue teams work tirelessly to save lives and prevent further destruction. So far, no major injuries have been reported, but the damage to property and infrastructure is extensive.
Faz esse dela para vá.
This is a region that is frequently exposed to heavy rainfall. But this year's flooding was one of the most severe in recent years. Experts say climate change is increasing the frequency of such disasters. The damage caused by rising rivers and floodwaters is truly devastating.
Oh my god.
Hoe moet dat hier doen?
Alles staat onder water. Je zit alleen maar in de film met Monique daar. Moet ik kijken. Oh, maar al dat personeel daar. Ja, de mensen kunnen niet in doen, hè.
Oh.
Fuck. Straks zit dat water in die auto, hè. Kijk, het is een modderstroom daar. Moet ik kijken.
Het is dan nog rood.
Dat nog nooit meegemaakt.
The full extent of the damage is yet to be fully understood, but over the next few days, we expect more clarity on the impact of this disaster. The local community is showing great resilience in the face of this catastrophe, but there is a long road ahead. Please don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with news like this.